Looking for a compact, high-quality travel guitar? Meet the INET 30-inch travel guitar IGL-15, the perfect choice for beginners and musicians on the go. Made from premium mahogany wood, this small yet powerful guitar delivers rich, warm tones while maintaining a lightweight and travel-friendly design. 30-inch size ideal for travel and easy handling. Walnut fretboard and satin finish, smooth and comfortable to play. Adjustable truss rod, keeps your guitar in perfect shape. 19 frets and 43mm nut width, designed for great playability. Get everything you need in one package. You'll receive a 30-inch guitar, a gig bag for protection, extra strings and a pick case, a winder, a soft cloth, and 2 picks. Don't miss out on this amazing guitar. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, the INET IGL-15 is the perfect companion. Click the link below in the description to learn more and order yours today.